me, Ice, and welcome to my channel! And today, may bagong recipe naman tayo ng hotdog na tsak magugustuhan nyo dahil paborito ito ng lahat, lalong-lalo na ng ating mga kids. And here guys, before we start, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo itong ating takoyaki trial set na nabili natin online. So here, for the trial set, you will get a complete ingredients for our takoyaki from the butter to the toppings at sauce nito. Meron na po itong takoyaki flour na 1 kilo and yan, meron na po dito yung description on how to mix this butter. So it says here na for every 1.5 cup of flour, you can add 3 cups of water at isang itlog and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. So very easy lang to mix this butter. For our sauce, yan, meron na tayong original flavor, ating takoyaki sauce. So here, if you want it spicy, you can just add the chili powder. So eto, maganda yung packaging niya at naka-bubble wrap po ito each. Kaya very secure yung pag-ship ng ating mga items. So no leakage. So wala ka talagang poproblemahin yan. And of course, we have this Japanese mayonnaise. So here, it is in 130 grams. Kano nga ba ang trial set na ito? So here, I bought this for 435 pesos. At meron ding nagbibenta nito na mas mura pa, but lesser din yung binibigay nila na seaweeds at itong Bonito Flakes. For just a little difference lang naman ng price, is meron ka ng tigta 30 grams ng seaweeds at meron din akong 30 grams ng Bonito Flakes. So, yung mas mura na nagbibenta nito, ito 5 grams lang yung ibibigay nila. Wherein this set here, meron ka ng tigta 30 grams, talagang hindi ka mabibitin kahit ilang beses ka pang magluto sa bahay. If you really want to achieve the original flavor ng takoyaki, pwede ka ring optional maglagay nitong ating red ginger yan. Available din ito sa seller na ipopost ko po yung link niya sa description box below. And of course, you can't make takoyaki without the takoyaki pan. So, non-stick na ito. And it really looks so durable din naman in a very low price. And I bought this for just like 200 plus lang. Yan, ilalagay ko rin yung link ng seller na nabilhan ko nito on the description box below. So ito guys, it consists of 12 cavities. Yan. I'm just really so excited na guys na mag-start na for our takoyaki at home. is for our butter. Yan, ilagay ko na dito sa ating lalagyan. And here's for our takoyaki, guys. We have here the hot dog. Here's kung gusto mo yung may tail, at ito tidbits kung yan. If you have two options, you can cut this into small cubes, saka mo ihalo. So we have here our cabbage. Yan. If you don't have cabbage, you can use spring onions. Yan. And here's our optional ito, our red pickled ginger. So here guys, yan. Nag-grease na natin ating pan.